guys, so for today we're heading to up north here in San Diego. We're going to Target. That's the nearest one. I think it's only 15 minutes drive. Kasi bibili kami ng electric fan at naka-centralized AC at heater yung hotel. So itong Bye Bye Baby, magsasara na pala siya. And nakatabi nito Target. So we're heading to Target to buy two things. Yung electric fan para sa asawa ko kasi hindi siya makatulog ng walang fan. And isang laundry basket. Kasi yung laundry basket actually wala kaming laundry basket sa hotel. Meron ata yung nabili kong default lang. Kaso kasi hindi sturdy yun. Laging natutumba. So, lagi siya medyo basa. Ganyan. Kaya, I'm gonna get like a cheap one. Yung pinakamura lang naman. Kasi hindi ka naman kailangan ng expensive or, alam mo yun, pricey. Since it's only for temporary for a few months. So, dito, usually have Starbucks inside and it's summertime. Ayan, ang cute ng mga damit. Actually, I like Target more than Walmart. Kasi, kapag bumili ka dito, magkakaroon ka ng points. You just need to enter your number. And then, yung points na yun, nako-convert siya to cash. So, that's a good thing though. Makaka-save ka at somehow. So, ito yung clearance area nila. Ayan. Ayan yung mga clearance. Pero mas mura pa din sa Ross tsaka TJ Maxx pagdating sa mga damit. Though may mga gusto ko dito, pero hindi lahat ng nasa Target. Gusto ko yung mga damit nila. Ang cute lang oh. Ang cute ng mga damit nila minsan. Ayan. So, nag-iikot-ikot lang ako. Nandito ako sa clothing area section. And we're heading to the furniture. So, ayan, nakabili na yung asawa ko ng electric fan niya. We're heading back now to the car. Ayan. So, we're here in Cinepolis. This is the luxury cinema in Del Mar. Meron sa La Jolla, but this is the nearest to our place. This is really the best cinema that we ever been to because everything's convenient except for the price of the ticket and the food. It's a bit pricey for me. It's $21 per person, the ticket. And then the food, it differs and it's not a lot. Like, it's only for chicha or snacks. They have actually tacos, like other food and stuff, but it's not a lot. They have actually chicken wings and burgers. It's not that big. Like, the price itself is really pricey, but the serving is not really a lot. Like, you're still gonna be hungry. So that's why we always go here. We always eat before we go here. That way, the only thing that we're gonna order is the popcorn and some drinks. That's why we don't go here first because we will be so damn hungry. Like, we're gonna spend $100. And we're actually watching the what you call that? The Little Mermaid. Ayan. Good afternoon, guys. Andito tayo sa California. Siyempre, California Char. Ayan. Nakatapos ko lang isend yung package. Tapos nakita ko tong views. So, maglakad-lakad tayo. Shit, mga maganda dito. Oh, ang dami na nagsiswimming. Though, yung weather dito kasi, Hindi pa ganon kainit. Nasa ano pa din? 60s, 65, 68. Parang next week pa mag-70s. Kaya malamig-lamig pa din. Malamig sa gabi, malamig sa umaga. Yan. So I'm here in Del Mar Beach. It's 10 minutes drive from the hotel. Ang ganda niya. Though hindi siya katulad nung sa Coronado na hindi siya totally white sand. Pero pino yung sa Coronado tsaka maganda. Dito, medyo rocks. So yan, pwede ka actually maglatag dyan. Tapos picnic at the same time while watching the sunset. Or if you want to go swimming. And it's not that hot today. Well, it's not really that hot in summer here because it's near the beach. So that's the reason why it's really expensive here because of this. Hello. So for today, we're heading to Mira Mesa to try gyukaku. And this is actually our dinner. My husband hasn't tried the gyukaku here in the US. But this is actually my second time because the first time I had this was way back November of 2022 when we got here in San Diego, and I had this in downtown in Glasstown quarter. So it's actually in downtown, and the place there is quite small compared the one that they have here in Mira Mesa. So we chose here because it's only 12 to 15 minutes drive compared if you're going to Glasstown quarter. And the parking there is pain in the ass because you're gonna park in the streets. And it's hard to find the parking in the streets, in the sidewalk. Because it's always full, so you need to turn around and find another one. So it's really hassle. And we're excited to try the store that they have here in Mira Mesa. I know the price will be similar. It's a bit pricey. It's around 50. I think 50 that I had last 2022. So already here. Ito yung loob niya. So, this is what you will gonna see inside. In downtown, it's not that big. It's really small. So, they have a lot of space here, a lot of chairs, which is very nice, especially if you're going to eat here by group. They can accommodate you. Ayan. And the next day, I'm heading to one of the tourist spots here in San Diego. I forgot what it's called. And it's gloomy again. Yeah, gloomy time. So I'm here in Torrey Pine Reserve in San Diego. This is actually 18 minutes drive from our hotel. And I decided to go and check what do they have. Because a lot of people are going here. It's one of the tourist spot that they always recommend. I already went to other places, so this one is quite near to our hotel. So, and I'm not gonna do anything today, but it's kind of cloudy. Hello guys, so andito tayo sa Torrey Pines Nature Reserve in La Jolla. I decided to go out kasi akala ko it's gonna be a good weather, especially when like this. But then na-prank tayo, gloomy day pa din. Kasi sabi magiging 71, which is I'm very happy about. Sa iba nasa 80 na, 75 above. Dito ewan ba, and ayun yung mga iba yung trail. Mali pa yung nasuot ko. Instead of rubber shoes, sneaker. Ang galing. Siguro hanggang dito lang tayo. Layo ng nilakbay ko. I mean, yan, dami nagpapapicture. Ito, ayan.
Yeah, you mentioned a little bit. You said you were teaching, but I don't remember you telling me what it was about. Yeah, so part of the PhD program is
So, andito naman ako sa Coronado Beach. In Coronado Island. I'm here while waiting for my husband to get off from work. And maganda yung sun dito kasi ang fine niya, tsaka medyo white. White yung sun compared sa Del Mar Beach. So, ayan. And I'm here in my friend's house because it's her daughter's birthday. Si Misha nag-turn ng 6 today. Ayan. Nakataya sila actually sa National City. Good job! Misha! We're here in National City in Liberty Housing. This is actually a military housing in the Navy. May minute lang yung husband ko, yung friend niya, and dito nakataya. Halo-halo din kasi dito may civilian, may military, may DOD and everything. After that, we decided to eat here the ribeye buffet in National City. This one, I would say it's 7 out of 10. Hindi naman siya masama, hindi naman siya masarap din, sakto lang. Okay, ganyan. We've been to a lot of buffet because my husband loves buffet, especially Chinese buffet. Even in Minnesota, ayan, may iba't-iba sila seafood, ganyan. Tapos, panay sushi na naman. But, so far, I'm not really enjoying the buffet here in the US. For me lang. I still miss the buffet in the Philippines sometimes. Ayan. Ayan, madami siya actually. May mga masasarap naman na luto sila dito. But not all, because I really don't like it. I did try, but it's really not for me. Or yung luto siguro. Kaya, ayun. So far, this is 7.5. Ganyan. Kasi yung sa Washington, we tried, I think, 2. And the very first one that we've had is 5.5. That's all for now. Bye!